Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. B here. I had a couple people that had some issues getting their artwork from their phone or maybe your camera to your computer. So I wanted to show you a few methods that I've come up with here. The first thing you're going to need is your phone's charging cable. Hopefully it's got a USB on the end or a USB-C like this. My phone is an Android, so it takes a USB-C. If you have a Apple iPhone, it will take a lightning cable. Understand. That's my phone, sorry. It will take a lightning cable. So, but it could have a USB-C on the end, or it could have the standard USB on the end. So basically, I'm gonna plug this into my phone like so. And what I'm gonna do is plug it into the computer. Now watch my phone as this happens, because there's a little something that you're gonna have to do on your phone. All right, do you see what happened? Do you hear that noise? All right, so basically my computer popped up with this screen. You can't really see it right now. And it says, it basically is already reading what's on the phone, but my phone will not grant it access. Okay, so what I've got to do is kind of scroll down here. Do you see where it says Android system charging? Basically, it's using the charging cord as a charger right now, but it's using, instead of the wall or the outlet, it's using your Chromebook as the charger right now. Isn't that cool? But we don't want it to use it as a charger. So we're going to hit that button and we're going to give it permission, because it needs permission to talk to each other. All right, kind of like you need permission in class, you raise your hand, that sort of thing. Well, we used to do that. All right, so you go to file transfer right there. And then, did you hear that? On my computer, I'm seeing a screen. It says internal shared storage. I'm going to click on that. And there's a lot of folders. For me, it's DCIM. I think that stands for Digital Camera Imaging. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to Camera. It might be different for your phone. You might have to look something up on YouTube here. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find the photos, and hopefully I have some previews here. And you can click and drag them right onto your desktop there. I would highly recommend making a photography folder and putting them in there. Now, that is option number one, and that is my favorite option because you're actually getting files from the computer, from the phone to the computer there. So that is one option. If that works for you, great. Maybe you tried it, something went wrong. So here's another option. You can put your photos on Google Drive. All right, so you can put your photos directly on Google Drive and send them to yourself, because they're on the cloud, they're up there, you know, whoop, 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 whoop. There goes your photos, you know, they're all sitting on the cloud. So you can access them straight up from the cloud. All right, so if you can put them on your student file, you'll have some access to it. I had some students have some issues with personal stuff. They couldn't get it from a personal file, but maybe if you use your personal computer at home as opposed to the school computer, if you have one, things have gone a lot smoother. The county blocks a lot of things and doesn't let you connect the two. So you might run into problems there, but that is an option as well. Third option, download the Canvas app. You're going to go to the stores on your phone, and there's actually a Canvas app that you can download. So you can go to Play Store and you just type in Canvas and a Canvas app for students, and look at that right there. That is Canvas. Do you see it? All right, so you're just going to download Canvas, and you can directly take a picture of your artwork with this and send it to me directly from Canvas for each assignment. That is pretty cool. And you can also do that for your other classes. So you can do your work on your phone. That's pretty amazing. I mean, we've come so far with technology, so far. So those are three really good ways to turn in assignments. I've had some students do other things to turn in their projects. I've had students email the pictures from a personal file, maybe to their computer at home. And then you log on as a, ooh, these lights are killing me. You log on as a, maybe as a student, And then you can get it and email it to yourself as a student if you're on another computer. So that's another option. I'm sorry the county has blocked so many things, but you got to roll with it. You got to find creative solutions to get around it. The one thing I would say is once it's on your computer, your Chromebook, if you have an option, go into Pixlr and edit it a little bit. Maybe do some photo editing and change it to a JPEG. I have some videos, that you can look at for that. But hopefully that will get you going and help you turn in your files. Try those 3 methods and let me know how it goes.